Hello everyone, my name is Ritika Yadav. I am studying in class 12th Commerce C. Today I am gonna explain you about market equilibrium and price determination under perfect competition with schedule and diagram. So now let us understand what is market equilibrium. Market equilibrium determines when the quantity demanded of a commodity became equal to quantity supplied. It is just a situation where market demand is equal to market supply. When the price gets lower than its equilibrium price, excess demand occurs and the quantity received from manufacturer are lower than what consumers have demanded. On the other hand, excess supply is the kind of situation where a price is more than its equilibrium price. This situation occurs when the manufacturer or supplier imposes an excess quantity of product than quantity expected from them. So now let us understand price determination under perfect competition. Price under perfect competition is determined by intersection of demand and supply. It is not the demand and supply of a single buyer and single seller that determine the price, but it is the total demand of all buyers and the total supply of sellers that determine the price of commodity. Here is a schedule to explain an excess demand and excess supply condition of a market. Demand for a commodity is governed by the law of demand, as consumer buy more when price is less and buy less when price is high. Supply of commodity is guided by the law of supply. Firm offer more supply when the price is high and offer less supply when price is low. Here equilibrium quantity is 60 and 60 because market demand is equal to market supply. Price is lower than equilibrium price known as excess demand. Price is higher than equilibrium price is known as excess supply. Let us understand by the diagram of market equilibrium. In the above diagram, quantity demanded are measured on x-axis, which is OQ, and price on y-axis, which is OP. SS is supply curve, DD is demand curve. A market demand curve moves downward because of excessive demand. On the other hand, a market supply curve goes upward direction because of excessive supply. Both the market demand curve and the market supply curve are supposed to intersect with each other to attain that balance. The point where these two intersect is called point of equilibrium, which is point E. If the price is higher than equilibrium price, there will be more supply and less demand. There is excess supply equal to AB. Pressure of excess supply will cause a reduction in market price. This leads to movement along the supply curve from B to E. If the price is lower than the equilibrium price, demand will more than supply. This is a situation of excess demand. Pressure of excess demand will cause a raise in market price, thus lead to movement along the demand curve from D to E.